Hey, Facebook, Courtney Truman Steamers. I'm out here in Snellville. Let me go. My client, my Crystal, Miss Jenkins. She's been using me for a long time. She uses me about 3 to 4 times a year. She's about to leave. Most of my clients, they get used to me. Hey, Miss Jenkins, you know your purse in here, right? Oh, you okay? You got your wallet. Okay, I just want to make sure. All right, guys. So Miss Jenkins is leaving, and what I'm doing for her today is the hardwood floors. We're going to clean the hardwoods. Now, this room right here used to be carpet. This is her office. So I used to clean this carpet. And this room right here also used to be carpet. And you can see she had hardwood floors installed. She said the same guy. That's why it's a perfect match, because the same guy that did these also did these. So she's going to keep the carpet upstairs, which she still has a lot of carpet upstairs. She has 5 areas, a hallway, and 2 flights of stairs. So she still got 7 areas of carpets, plus down here. And I'm also going to clean these carpets today too. So today, guys, I am going to be doing these, this carpet area right here, living room, dining room combo. Okay. So I'm going to be doing that, and also these hardwood floors, but just the original floors, not the new floors. So I'm not going to do this area, and I'm also not going to do her office. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. It's a beautiful day out here. Great day. And so what I'm going to do first is use this is my hardwood cleaner, my Dirt Dragon. I use it to do the hardwood floors. Also, I'm going to use my electric sprayer and a good neutral cleaner. So I'm going to use a neutral cleaner for the hardwood floors. So I'm going to get all this equipment in, knock the hardwood floors out first so I can get this back outside, and then I come back out, fire up my truck mount, and then clean the carpets. All right, guys, let's get to work. All right, Facebook. So I just got through doing the hardwood floors in the kitchen area, sit-in dining room. Floors look so much better. Let me tell you something, guys. When you get your floors, usually a lot of my clients have house cleaners that also clean the home. And you can just see how much better the floors look. Because the reason why, most of the time when you clean your floors, or if you have a house cleaner that cleans the floors for you, usually they use a lot of products that leave a lot of residue behind. And I can tell that because her floors just had like a lot of scuff marks. They had a lot of footprints, which means there was a lot of residue on these floors. Okay, so I can tell because now the floors look more natural, because me and my machine, also give credit to my machine, and the product that I'm using is removing all that wax. Usually it can be wax products too, like Quick Shine, Mop and Glow. Those are horrible for your floors. But in this situation, she didn't have wax buildup. She just had a lot of residue buildup on the floors. And usually because the house cleaners or sometimes the homeowners use the wrong kind of products, and it leaves like a sticky film. If you notice your floors are sticky, or let's say if you see like a lot of scuff marks, a lot of footprints, it can also be a lot of residue buildup. And that's what was on Miss Jenkins' floors today. And I can just tell by looking at them after I cleaned them, it's removing all that residue. So she had a lot of residue on the floors, and now I just got to clean the rest of the foyer. But that's, tell you guys, man, is that when you clean your floors, when you use microfiber mops, you're really not getting a lot of soil off the floors. And a lot of times, if you don't change the mop heads like you should, most of the time you just spreading dirt around on the floors. And I see that a lot, especially in tile and grout, because that's why the grout lines be so dirty and filled up with soil, and they be real black. And, if you watch some of my tile and grout videos, you'll see what I'm talking about. Because what happened is, for example, she has tile and grout in her bathroom. So when you're mopping your tile and grout, you're basically taking that dirt from the top of the tile, and you're pushing it right into that grout, and that's where it builds up and just sits for months and over years, and it just makes the floors look horrible. So right now, what I'm doing here, The best extraction, the best cleaning method, just like carpets. I'm about to get ready to do her carpets after I do the hardwood floors, is extracting. And that's why we have this special machine just from hardwood floors. So it does the same thing. It has a brush on it, so it agitates the floors. It has releases the solution from the machine, and also extract. So the floors are getting a really good deep cleaning, unlike any other process that, you know, again, the cleaners or the homeowner uses on these on their floors. All right, guys, just got to the carpets. Again, coming out good as always. Still got some spots left. Not stains, but spots. Spots are usually water-based or oil-based, like grease, oil, and these look these are oil-based stains because they have like a black look to them, and sometimes you have to go a little further to break down that that grease and oil that can sometimes still be in the carpet. Some on this. Wow, look at that. See what I'm saying? All right, Facebook, that's going to do it. Miss Jenkins came back home. She's leaving out again. And she is amazed with the hardwood floors. Like I said, they just have that natural look that how they supposed to look, because again, all that residue that was on the floor. And she ended up telling me that the house cleaner has been cleaning the floors with dish detergent. So yes, guys, dish detergent leaves a lot of residue. That's why if you take a small drop of just a small drop of dish detergent, put it in a little cup, and then fill it up with water and see what happened. All that foam, and again, when you put that on floors and you don't have something that can neutralize it, it leaves all that residue behind. So I actually think that's the house cleaning ladies right there. So I'm going to show them what to clean the floors with. And as you guys can see, the carpets look amazing as always. So yes. All right, guys. So again, this is why we have customers that use us over and over and over. Miss Jenkins, she probably has me out here, I'm gonna say at least 4 times a year. She's one of my clients that uses me about every 3 to 4 months. And you know, again, once people get used to us, they get used to our services, who we are, and they like us. They like the services that we provide. They just keep calling us back, and not only that, they'll also refer us to friends, neighbors, family members, and we greatly appreciate that too. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and finish wrapping up. Yes, that is the cleaning ladies. So she had us out here at the same time today, and I'm done, so they can have it. All right, guys, see you in the next one.